Good morning from 11 Mile. It's about 60 degrees, 65 maybe. T-shirt weather for most people. Just gonna cook up some bacon, eggs, sausage, burritos. It's morning fire. Here's the first round of some breakfast. I've already been hunting this morning just for fun. I'm gonna add in some eggs. Oh, and there's the little He-Man himself.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Just saying hello. Want beef?
Sure. Was that a seagull?
I think it was their cooler or something.
That'd be funny.
Yeah. I couldn't shoot it.
True.
But any other birds, sure, why not?
Like crows?
Heck yeah. Crows just getting away.
Yeah.
Make too much dang noise, kind of like those barking squirrels at
Oh my God.
5 in the morning.
Dear Lord.
Yes.
That's why I like BB guns, because no one hears them and you could shoot them.
That's right. But we don't have BB guns, we have real man guns.
Well, yeah. We need one for Riley, though.
Yeah.
Pellet gun or something?
Yeah. We'll get one for her.
Eventually.
I've already eaten this morning.
He ate at like 8.
Yeah, right now it is 9:22.
Yeah, only an hour ago. You were probably ready for something else again.
I'll eat whatever you don't. What, you call me fat? Yeah, well, it's okay. I'm allowed to be fat at 40. Shut up. Alright, you got yourself?
Huh?
Make yourself a burrito.
A burrito.
You want salsa?
No.
Okay. There's your burrito.
Burrito.
Getting hot. Instantly clean the pan while we're boil the water. We'll clean the pan. We'll get everything going. This is the fun part about camping. You gotta go and bury your waste. Gotta find a nice little spot, dig a nice little hole, and throw your bag away. And there's I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a bumblebee inside that bag. It was Gavin decided to leave the camper open, and there was a bumblebee in there, so wound up stunning it and picked it up and put it in the poop bag, and well, he's not too happy right now, but he'll be gone soon. So there goes the bag, there goes the dirt, and you can't even really tell that there was anybody even ever here. And there we go. Camping 101. Bury the poop bag. Sorry for the bumpiness, but we got both boys riding. Both the bikes. So, having fun. Sorry you guys are seeing the front end of my truck, but I'm driving behind them since they're going on the dirt roads out here, just in case anybody hits them, they fall. Trying to be a good dad. Glad we bought these, because kids are having a blast. Gavin has been riding, well, we showed up on yesterday, so he was riding all yesterday afternoon, this morning. Then Brody showed up at about 3:30 today, and they've been riding for a couple hours already today, or an hour and a half, I guess, if I learn how to do math. I'm gonna close my, oh, there they go. Gotta catch up with these two little Evil Knievel's.